Gottalu. Pronounce it.
Gottalu. Okay.
You know what is this? Kodi guddu.
Kori gugu.
Kodi guddu.
Gudu.
Guddu.
Okay. Kori gudu. Why are you laughing at me? That's not.
That is what we have. Lot of varieties of food here. We can mix with anything and you can have it.
Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam, Food Bandi. ברוכים הבאים לבהלה בנטי בוג'נם.
Pinch it.
No.
Come on. That getting? Come on.
How can you guess
See,
it? I want to try. I don't want to give up.
Hello guys, na peru Vamsi Praveen and
Namaste, na Peru Nicole. Welcome to Indian Kitchen.
right. ఈ ఒక్క మొక్క నేర్పించడానికి చాలా కష్టపడ్డా నేను. You know what is these things?
I guess cows.
Cows, female.
Female cows.
These are bulls.
Oh, okay.
Males. ఈ అమ్మాయి గురించి చెప్పలే కదా, తినే ఇజ్రాయెల్ అమ్మాయి ఇక్కడ చదువుకుంటుంది. లాస్ట్ టైం జూలియట్ వచ్చేసా కదా, జూలియట్ ఫ్రెండ్ అనమాట. ఇంకా చెప్తా నేను ఇజ్రాయెల్ కంట్రీ గురించి, అలాగే తిన గురించి కూడా మాట్లాడుతూ ఫుడ్ ఎంజాయ్ చేద్దాం. So you go inside?
Yeah, let's go.
This is the wheel of that bullock cart. And they are our Telugu heroes.
Oh, so it's not just random people.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
nice.
this is antaku.
Oh, it's a banana leaf.
Yeah, come this side. This is banana leaf. Now we are going to have like this. All 40 items come here and we'll have like this. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Of course. Tindam parani.
సో ఇప్పుడు అరిటాకు వచ్చే ముందు మీకు చెప్తాను చూడండి, దగ్గరగా 40 ఐటమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నాన్ వెజ్, వెజ్ రెండిట్లో బంతి భోజనం ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ నాన్ వెజ్.
Non-veg, yeah.
యు ఆర్ ఏ నాన్ వెజిటేరియన్, రైట్?
Yeah, I'm non-veg.
చలో. సో నాన్ వెజ్ 40 ఐటమ్స్ అంట, అది ఏమేమి వస్తుందో చూద్దాము. సో టేక్ సమ్ వాటర్ ఇన్ హ్యాండ్. pour it. Clean it. Clean it like this. Now throw this water aside, not on other humans.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
This is our tradition. This is welcome drink. What is that one? Lemon. If you are feeling spicy, have this one in between, okay?
Okay.
The first item. Second item, khaja. Laddu, nakuda. Right. So hold this one. This is khaja. Belongs to Andhra Pradesh. This is Tapeswaram khaja. Second item. And this is laddu.
Okay.
Bandar laddu kind of thing. This is also Andhra Pradesh special. Okay. This is basically Andhra style. Okay. We are eating in Hyderabad.
Oh, so
Aloo?
is it like Hyderabadi food?
Andhra Pradesh food. Aloo bhaji, masala vada.
Okay.
Masala vada. This is also Andhra Pradesh kind of thing. Gottalu. Pronounce it.
Okay, gottalu. Okay.
How is that?
I like it. We have a similar snack in Israel, but it looks like a little teddy bear.
What is it called?
Dubonim.
Dugonim.
With B, dubonim.
Dubonim anta. వీలుంటే గూగుల్లో ఒకటి ఇమేజ్ చూపిస్తాను. రైట్, కమ్ ఆన్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. చిల్లీ చికెన్ ఐటమ్. కబాబ్, చికెన్ కబాబ్. ఆలూ ఫ్రై, హరాబరా కబాబ్. నాన్ వెజ్ పికిల్, చికెన్ పికిల్. ఓ, యూ గాట్ మటన్, రైట్? ఓకే. మై మౌత్ ఈస్ వాటరింగ్. నాకు నోరవుతుంది ఇవన్నీ చూస్తే.
It looks good.
This is gun powder. నల్ల కారం, మ్యాంగో పికిల్, టమాటా పచ్చడి, బీరకాయ.
It's like a puzzle. Everything needs to be fit in this part.
Guddu. You know what is this?
What is this? An egg.
In Telugu it is called kodi guddu.
Kori gugu.
Kodi guddu.
Gudu.
Guddu.
Okay. Kori gudu. Why are you laughing at me? That's not. Gundu.
Guddu.
Gudu.
Guddu.
Kori gudu.
అంటే there is a small difference between spelling.
Yeah.
If you pronounce it in another way, it is
Did
a
they
blender.
say something?
Now rice item is coming.
Oh, okay.
All these are curries which you have to eat with those rice.
Yeah, like this.
మొత్తానికి అరిటాకేసి ఈ ఐటమ్స్ అన్ని పెట్టడానికే మాకు అరగంట పట్టింది. ఈ పిల్లేమో చూసి నోరూరిపోతుంది అంటే ఐఎమ్ ఎక్సైటెడ్ అంటే అంటనే ఉంటుంది. చూసిన తర్వాత యూ ఎక్సైటెడ్ రైట్?
I am.
అండ్ సో సబర్ కా మీఠా ఫల్ హోతా అంటారు కదా, అట్లాగా వెయిట్ చేపించి తినిపిస్తే ఇంకా టేస్ట్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆ అమ్మాయిని వెయిట్ చేపించి మరీ తినిపిస్తున్నాను నేను. నౌ కౌంట్ ద ఐటమ్స్. హౌ మెనీ వీ హ్యావ్?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 38.
38, 39 and this one 40.
40, okay.
40
cool.
items వచ్చేసినాయి
Yeah.
టేబుల్ మీదకి. సో ఇన్ అవర్ ట్రెడిషన్ వీ స్టార్ట్ విత్ స్వీట్. కాజా.
Kaza.
కాజా.
Kaza.
కాజా.
Kaja.
Ah.
Okay. What is it made for? From? Yeah.
షుగర్ సిరప్ అండ్ ఫ్లోర్. తాపేశ్వరం కాజా.
Kaja. Okay.
Come on, bite it. Eat it. Yeah.
Oh, I could.
Now we'll go with laddu.
Oh.
This is called laddu. Bandar laddu.
Laddu. Yeah. Okay.
Bandar laddu.
Bandar laddu.
Taste it.
That's a good one. Is it also flour?
Chanagapindi. It is called chanagapindi. English lo emantaru. This is made with lentils.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Next item, we'll go with hot. This is aloo bhaji.
Aloo bhaji.
Aloo bhaji, I
so
think
it's
so.
from potatoes. Aloo.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Yeah, it's like like fries, but not.
Oil right. You dip it with chutney. We have chutney here.
This one.
That is birakai chutney.
Oh yeah. It's better now. It's even better.
Now we'll go this. This is. Is that fine?
Yeah.
This one is gare. Masala gare.
I love Indian food.
This is ragi sankati. Dip it with fish curry.
Oh, that's
Is
nice.
that good?
Yeah.
And beware of that bones, fish bones.
Yeah.
Okay. So this. నేను చెప్పా ముళ్ళు ఉంటాయి అంటే తినేసింది. Right, now we'll have, these are also lentils. These are also made of lentils.
This? Oh, it's not rice?
Not rice, but ragulu. Lentils
Oh.
only. Lentils only. You can have it with even this chicken curry also.
Oh.
Dip it with chicken curry.
This one? Wait, where is
That's
it's this one?
That's one.
This one, okay.
Nice.
I love curry.
Now we'll go to puri. This is called puri.
Oh, okay.
This is basically tiffin kind of thing. You can have this with we'll go with prawns curry. Okay, put some prawn here. Have it.
Wow. This is my favorite so far.
Prawns curry.
I love prawns.
సో రొయ్యలు అనేది వాళ్ళ దేశంలో రిలీజియన్తో సంబంధం ఉన్నదంట, అక్కడ తినకూడదంటారు రొయ్యలు. సో ఇలా బయటకు వచ్చినప్పుడు రొయ్యలు తింటుందన్నమాట అమ్మాయి. అండ్ యూ నో ఇజ్రాయెల్ ఈజ్ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా.
Really? Yeah.
You people invented plenty of missiles.
Not me, but other people.
Government, just to target terrorism, we people imported lot of missiles from your country. We people.
I guess it's a good thing, right?
It's a good thing. Yes. Right. Next you know how, and this is called pulihora.
I like the lentils inside.
In our state, there are people who are fond of this one, pulihora. They die for this one.
Really, but it's it's really. I notice it's really hard to eat with hands. Like everything is falling apart. I don't know.
No. You are unable to eat, but we people can, right? Still, take like this. See, pinch it. Take it like this.
Yeah.
All fingers together. Have it. Okay. Now we'll come to jeera rice. You can put some dal here.
This one, right?
Yes. Little bit.
Oops.
Okay, not little bit. Now mix with that one. A bit. Have it.
I'm still trying to figure out how to mix it. Okay.
Yeah, this is Indian style.
No.
You can lick your fingers. Okay.
I love it.
We Telugu people we people love non-veg. And I'm fond of non-veg. Obviously.
I like veg because it's more flavorful than chicken. Chicken is just like just the chicken, and here you have like mix of taste.
Nice. నేను ఆ అమ్మాయితో చెప్తూ టేస్ట్ ఎలా ఉందో చెప్పట్లేదు మీకు. భలే ఉందప్పా. నిజంగా పెళ్లి భోజనం లాగానే ఉంది. పెళ్లిలో ఇన్ని ఐటమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. Did you remember hotel name?
What do you mean?
Hotel name, restaurant name.
No.
Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam.
Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam.
Bhale is awesome. The meaning.
Bhale is awesome, really?
Bhanti is like a row.
Okay, Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam.
Bhojanam is like food.
Okay. Bhojanam is food, really?
Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam. Can you translate into English? Bhale is awesome, raw food. Okay.
Food in an awesome raw. What about the gunpowder?
Gunpowder. Now I'll make it. See, take the white rice.
Okay.
Now take the gunpowders. We have some ghee inside, right?
Yeah.
Mix it with that one. Put some more powder.
Will I die from spiciness? Like, would it be?
No, it will cut off the spice. The ghee is there, right?
Oh, okay.
Right? Have this one.
Okay. Okay, it's not. Oh, it is spicy. It is spicy. It's nice. It's nice.
Nice?
Yeah.
I didn't heard what you said. What is that?
I said that I love Indian food and it's my favorite now.
Oh. And in Indian food, what you are loving here?
I think I like lentils more than meat. Yeah.
Right. Enough.
Thank
For
you.
me, కొంచెం నాకు కూడా. Right. So ఇప్పుడు take the curd. That's it. Yeah. If you want, you can mix this laddu as well.
Really, but it's sweet.
That is what I think. Take a piece of laddu,
Okay.
mix it with this one. Mix it with curd.
Yeah. It is with curd.
No, it's not enough. Now mix it and have it.
Oh, it's much better with this.
That is what we have. Lot of varieties of food here. We can mix with anything and you can have it.
Yeah, it's interesting that you have something sweet inside of a plate with the
Yeah.
non-sweet stuff.
Yep.
I want more of it.
Yep. Have it.
I really love this combination.
Come on. Now there is one more part. This is called payasam.
Okay.
This is payasam. With this, our food is completed. You know, done with the food. The last item we have to have.
Okay.
We can have it here by putting here. We can have this one. Come on, put it here.
Yeah.
Put that.
Okay.
This is payasam. See. Just lift it apart. Pinch it. Come on. Is that getting? Come on.
How can you get
Sit.
it?
You got a bit? Nothing?
No.
Right. Have it directly.
Where is
Where is yours? Here. This one. Have it. Have it directly.
it?
What
Again.
spoon they pitch na? Okay. Amma, a spoon.
Wait, I
Spoon.
want to try. I want to try. I don't
Right,
want to
right.
give up.
Come on. Aha. Idi manaku kavali.
Oh, it worked. Look, I have some.
Come on.
Okay.
Right.
I'm giving up.
This is called killi.
Kili.
Killi. Actually, food is completed with this one. I forgot about this one. So you remove this one. Now have it complete. Whole one.
Oh, with the leaf.
Right. Put it completely.
It's very strong.
Are you able to eat?
I am, but it's like very strong. It's
Yes.
it's stronger than everything here.
Yes. So this is used for digestive system. We ate everything, right? So all this should not go inside and fight with each other. So for that purpose, we'll eat this one. Okay? సో పెళ్లి స్టైల్ దిస్ ఇస్ మ్యారేజ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మనకి తెలిసిందే కదా, నేను మీతో ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడేస్తున్నా నా పిల్లతో మాట్లాడి. సో మన తెలుగు బంతి భోజనం సేమ్ అదే స్టైల్. నౌ వీఆర్ క్లోజింగ్. సో టెల్ దెమ్ దట్ రిపీట్ వాట్ ఐ సే. ఓకే, భలే బంతి భోజనంలో ఫుడ్ చాలా బాగుంది.
Wait, I need it to in parts.
భలే బంతి భోజనం
Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam.
ఫుడ్ చాలా బాగుంది.
Food chala baundi. Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam. Food chala baundi.
మీరు ట్రై చేయాలంటే కొండపూడికి వచ్చేయండి.
What?
మీరు కూడా ట్రై చేయాలి అంటే
Miru kura crunch. I don't know.
ట్రై చేయాలి అంటే
Try chali. Yente.
ఓకే, we'll do one thing. Tell in your language. Your language is
Yeah, Hebrew. Hebrew?
Hebrew.
Yeah.
తింటే నాకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. Your language is Hebrew. How to say welcome in Hebrew?
Bruchim habayim.
Bochim
Habayim.
Bochim Habahim. Okay, it's called welcome.
Yeah, it's like welcome.
So tell them to come and eat in Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam. In your language.
Wait, can you say the name of the place?
Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam.
Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam. Okay. So can I say welcome to the restaurant? You're welcome to the... Okay. I need to practice that. Okay. Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam. Bruchim habayim le Bhale Bhanti Bhojanam.
ఇప్పుడు నేను వెల్కమ్ చెప్పించాను, అక్కడ చెప్పించడం మర్చిపోయాను. సో మీ అందరికీ భలే బంతి భోజనంకి వెల్కమ్ అని చెప్పింది అనమాట. బుఖిమే
Bruchim
భయం. It's similar to Arabic language, right? Little bit.
Yeah, but not very similar. Just a little bit.
Right? So ఇది స్టోరీ. ఇది మా బంతి భోజనం. రైట్, నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. టెల్ దెమ్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం.
Next stuff I cannot.
నెక్స్ట్ ఎపిసోడ్లో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం.
Next episode.
మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం.
Next episode, mali kaligdaw.
Bye-bye.